Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show in stock quantity in order detail page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order detail and then you see item detail. So we are going to show in stock quantity in order detail in WooCommerce admin dashboard. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see column title stock quantity, so you can add title name according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to edit order detail page. Now refresh the page. Now you see item detail and then you see column we added using custom code, stock quantity, and 41 remaining. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.